Hey, what's up, people? So I wanted to show you something really cool that Classroom does that will help you stay more organized. If you go to the little waffle up here that I'm clicking on a bunch, go to Classroom, it'll open up Classroom, and it'll show all of the places where you're enrolled as a student. Mine also show places I'm enrolled in as a teacher. So if I go to here, classes I'm enrolled in as a student, I was doing a book study called the Google Infused Classroom, where I learned a bunch of stuff like this. At the top, if you want to quickly see all of your work, you go to About, and you'll see 4 buttons here that are really helpful. You'll have Your Work, which will bring you to a list of all of your work that you've done. You'll notice that I've done a couple things late. You'll also see that it will give you access to your class drive folder. Everything you do in Classroom gets saved in Drive, so if you lose something, that's another place to find it. And if you click on Classroom Calendar, it'll tell you the Classroom calendar. So it puts all the things that have due dates on your calendar. You can see here, I had a bunch of stuff that was due. But that right there is some things that will help you stay organized. You can add that calendar to your phone too, and that way you'll get like 12 notifications instead of just 3. It'll be awesome. Anyway, thanks. Hope it was helpful.